What do you want to know?
Hi, Cathy. I'm here with Cathy from Hands On Designs. She has new series. Tell us about the series.
Well, this is Secret Santa, and Santa's got a little secret because there are actually 9 Santas in all, but there are 8 charts. So what is Santa's secret? When you buy each of the individual cards, there's going to be a little section of the 9th and Secret Santa, and he's behind here. I'm not going to lift it.
No,
the shop owners who are here
they've
been
seen
able to see it. So, but you'll get a little section of that 9th and Secret Santa, and we use this really pretty teal
I love the fabric.
Blue linen. Yes, it's vintage Tiffany, fabrics by Stephanie. The thread color, it's a Weeks Dye Works color palette, and of course I had to add a little bit of
Kreinik
Santa sparkle.
Yeah.
Much like the Scary Sparkle from Scary Apothecary, we did a little Santa sparkle. Like we got the key. And we got the horn there, and holly, all the little lights.
I mean, yeah,
and the packages.
Fun.
It just gives it a little touch of sparkle. And all the jingle bells. This guy, he's my husband's favorite because that's jingle all the way.
All the way,
you gotta
baby.
say it the right
that's
way.
Right. And then the 9th one.
And that's our Secret Santa down there.
So 3 have been released at this market.
2
have been.
Holly St. Nick. My joke here is, he's still jolly, but he's holding a lot of holly. And then this one is called the Santa Key. If you have no chimney, no problem. Santa has a key. So there's kind of that legendary story about the Santa key.
So those 2 are out now. So they're going to be throughout the year?
About every 5 to 6 weeks. They'll release in sets of 2. So plenty of time to get them done before Christmas. There is a finishing template on the website, which is great if you do them on 16 or 32 count. And then of course, Just Another Button Company made these sweet little beads. And there's some pictures on there as well to show you how to attach those. But what I really love about the Kreinik, the number 4 braid, one strand, is it comes off the spool. I think there's 6 colors in the palette, and you just need 1 spool of each. And it just adds a little bit of,
it does. It adds that holiday sparkle and fun and magic. And it's just a little light touch, but it's beautiful.
Yeah, so think about it hanging on the tree, and your lights will kind of reflect off of it a little bit.
So what's your website?
It's handsondesign.biz, B-I-Z.
And I know you're on YouTube. What's your YouTube channel?
I'm at the Hands On Designer on my FLOSSTUBE, and hands.on.design on Instagram, and then also Hands On Design on Facebook.
Awesome. Love them. Thank you.
Thank you.